I'm Bella, and today I've got a super fun idea. Let's draw a super duper cute cartoon house together. Are you all excited? Okay, first things first, grab your pencils and let's start drawing line by line. Together, we'll create a fantastic pentagon shape for our house. Just keep those lines flowing and watch our house come to life. Now, on to the next step. Let's add a roof on top of our house. Imagine it's like putting a cozy hat on our home. You're doing awesome, kiddos! Next up, let's add some doors and windows to our house. Every house needs those special places where friends can knock and peek through, right? Time to make our drawing even more magical. Let's draw some trees, fluffy clouds, and a big, shiny sun. Our house is going to look like it's in the happiest little neighborhood ever. Wow, look at what we've created. But you know what would make it even more amazing? Let's add some extra details to our doors and windows. It's like adding sprinkles to a cupcake. It makes everything even more delightful. And now, my friends, it's time to bring out the colors. Let's paint our house with the brightest, happiest colors we can find, like cherry red, ocean blue, sunshine yellow, and grassy green. Our masterpiece is going to be a rainbow of joy. Wow! Our cartoon house is now bursting with color and charm, just like us. Great job, everyone! I'm so proud of our creative teamwork. Keep drawing and dreaming big!